শ্রীযুত পদকমল শ্রী গুরু বৈষ্ণবাংশ্চ শ্রীরূপম সাগ্রজাতং সহগণ রঘুনাথমিতং তং সজীবং সাদ্বৈতং সাবধূত কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য দেব শ্রী রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাদ সহগণ ললিতা বিশাখাতমেশ্চ ভজ শ্রী কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Today I got question from Pada Shevana Prabhu Mirpois, France. Isn't it a sign of humility to wash the feet of Vaishnava? Although I understand that by humility you don't accept. By humility you don't accept anyone to wash your feet. Anyway, there's two ways to think about it. You know? There's two ways to test. Mahaprabhu established to test our inner feeling, like if I become puffed up, I'm a guru, I'm Vaishnava, then I will allow it. But Mahaprabhu had established the Vaishnava practice. In that practice, they never actually, it's not easy to get Charanamrita Vaishnava. Even Mahaprabhu, when this Kalidas and Gaudiya, Bengal Bhakto, when they are when they are doing Gundicha temple cleaning, one Bengal Bhakto wash his feet and drink the Charanamrit, then Mahaprabhu become angry. Kalidas, one grape he drink, and second Mahaprabhu washing his feet in Jagannath temple. And Mahaprabhu was not happy. This Kalidas is thinking that. Showing outsidely, he is showing he is not happy. So therefore, we have to be always think about this. There is a question of humility, question of this etiquette, this Vaishnava etiquette to become humble. And we should not think I am a great, all are junior. They have to clean my feet. Such type of way. Anyway, this is testing. Lord is testing our inner feeling. If we feel I am a great devotee, so everybody can wash my feet, that means we become failure. We become failure to follow the philosophy of Vaishnava. I don't think so, anyone. Yeah, there is no other question. I don't know what it is. Okay, one more person. Here is Ram Bhakta Das from Brazil. Gurudev, today is the birthday of Srila Bhaktivedanta Puri Goswami Maharaj. We can say some word to him in this special day. Oh, now I understand Bhaktivedanta Puri. Okay. In Vrindavami. Okay. So Bhaktivedanta Puri Goswami Maharaj, he has sound faith on chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day, 64 rounds. I think since he took initiation, he is following that. Also, he left his family with such determination that he wants to follow Lord Chaitanya's mission from the bottom of his heart. Therefore, he left everything and came to this top of the mountain, Vrindavami, and make a temple, very simple temple. I was there also twice or thrice I was there. Austere life, but he became happy to be there, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and also engaging so many devotees to worship the deities, Radha, Gopinath and Guru Varga, and happily he always is greeting all the sadhu, hosting all the sadhu in a ashram. Hopefully, if Lord arrange, then I may come also this year or next year. This year I had desire. Looks like it is not possible if there is lockdown not open. So today, definitely it is a specious day because one sannyasi's appearance day. So I am praying to Bhaktivedanta, praying to divine couple for curing all the obstacles to practice the path of devotion with chanting 64 rounds in a day. In a day for Bhaktivedanta Puri Maharaj. And I also pray to our parampara, please give him the strength, enough strength to carry the mission of Mahaprabhu rest of his life with purity. Hare Krishna. These are the questions I got. Now you have to go again that what we And yesterday we have to continue. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, we read that sloka, Vidagdho Navatarunna. We read yesterday. Vidagdho Navatarunna Parihasha Visharada. Nischinto Dhiralalito Shad Praya Prayosivasa. Preyosi, matlab the very dearest associates. So, I already explained about this. Vidagdho Navatarun. Vidagdho means who is actually expertise in every aspect. Navatarun, always young, always youth. Tarun, parihasa, mocking, joking, nature. Visharada, expertise to mocking, joking. But there is some teaching also there, not like a meaningless parihasa, meaningless mocking, joking. Nischinto, always free from, and Thiro Lalito. Also there's such Prevosi Baso, which controlling and not controlling. Yeah, it's controlling all the dearest associates. You can see how he make everybody happy. Sakhis, woman associates, Sakhas, man associates, they become always happy with his association. So therefore he Thiro Lalito. Thiro means fiction, Lalito, very loving connection, loving relation, such type. Fixed, loving connection, loving relation, keeping loving relation with everyone. Actually, my spiritual master once he explained to one devotee named is Bhakti Raman Nishkinchan Maharaj. His Gurudev is Bhakti Kamal Madhusudan Goswami Maharaj, means Guru Maharaj Godfather. The Bhakti Raman Nishkinchan Maharaj is Gurudev, Bhakti Kamal Madhusudan Goswami Maharaj, explaining him whatever you have question about any kind of spiritual question regarding, especially regarding puja, better for you to ask my senior godfather Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj. It was in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Gurudev in Calcutta, staying at Calcutta, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, 1993 or 1994. He came and asking some question. Question is this: there are 32 offenses during the Seva Parat. 32 offenses of serving Lord. One offense is Apan Vayu, that means passing air. When he has gas problem, so during the worshipping, during the worshipping, so she asking this, should I go out always of the temple to pass air, or should I? And also there is so many other things he asked. Gurudev listened carefully. Then asking him, Baba, Supreme Lord is not like a tiger and lion, Bhagavallug noy. bear. This ferocious, if you do one mistake, by any way you do mistake, then he will punish you. When he will heavily punish you. Rather, Supreme Lord is very loving, affectionate for all his devotees. He knows your condition. Intentionally you should not do that. But if by accidentally it happened, there is no offense. It's like that. So in this regard, I'm just trying to say, he is very much loving. Has loving, affection, nature for all his devotees. Therefore, all the associates, women associates, sakhis, and men associates, sakhas, everybody, without Krishna's association, they feel unhappy. They always need Krishna's association in order to make them blissful. So this is therefore in that way, loving manner, he controls everyone. Loving manner, no. He never, we can say, this Krishna sometime fighting, killing demon. In this regard, I can say, Krishna never killed demon. Actually, Vishnu killed. Vishnu killed in the form of Krishna. Because Vishnu means Mathura Krishna, who appear in the womb of, in Kamsa's jail, not womb of Kamsa, because there is no labor pain. In the Kamsa's jail, and then Devaki's husband Vasudeva moved that Krishna or Vishnu, opulence form of Krishna, to Gokul. He merged with, actually Harivansha say that. Harivansha books are saying that he merged with Gokul Krishna. And Chaitanya Charitamrita also says that Vishnu তখন Krishna's শরীরে, Vishnu in the inside Krishna's body, Vishnu দ্বারে Krishna করে অসুর সংহারে, and Krishna killing demon. And actually Vishnu দ্বারে, Krishna killing demon. Actually this is not Krishna killing, Vishnu actually killing. Vishnu দ্বারে. Actually we can say in this way, Vishnu killing in the form of Krishna is best way to say. Then Radha Saha Nitya Vilas Rata Krishna. Pastimes Tattva. Rasho Prema Tattva. Radha Saha Nitya eternally Vilas Rata, manifesting pastime. Who? Krishna. Eternally Krishna manifesting pastime with Radha. We can say another way. Anyway, you know this, whenever Rupa Goswami physically passed away, at that time, out of separation, the Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami says, the whole sloka is like this way, that Radha Kund like a tiger, Bakro Tundayati Kund, Tunda means mouth of Bakro means tiger, Kunda means Radha Kund. Girindar Ajagarate, Giriraj Govardhan is like a python. time to take everyone in his mouth. Shunnat Mahagashtam, everything empty. This is the point. Gashtam means Brajamandal, entire Vrindavan, everything empty. But here, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says, Krishna manifesting pastimes with Radha eternally in Vrindavan. The meaning is this, in order to realize it, Krishna manifesting pastimes with Radharani and with his associates eternally here in Vrindavan, because Radha never lived Vrindavan, always in Vrindavan. So in order to realize it, we have to develop our cleanse condition, our heart become dirty with so many material desire. If someone says something looks like Radharani's life, in order to serve Krishna, she tolerate everything. She never ever stops to serve Krishna. Rather, when Krishna left Mathura, she is telling, Hey Doito Bhammati Kim Karam. Oh my dear, what I'll do now? You are not here. I have no more service. What I'll do now? Brahmati. I become crazy. Kim Karam Mam. What I'll do? Please let me know. Such a crazy. This is called laughing service. Towards beloved, an object of love. Towards object of love. Object of love is Krishna. So, but we can see in our vision, there is no more Vrindavan arriving. No more Vrindavan. No forest like concrete jungle nowadays. But still, pure devotees' vision. Jamuna flowing with crystal clean water, full of forest. Bank of Jamuna full of rose water, nice fragrance. There is a song, Akhono Sai Brindavane. কি বলে বাঁশি বাজে রে বাঁশির সুরে সুর মিলিয়ে ময়ূর নাচে রে. Still in Vrindavan, who is pure devotee, they are able to listen the tune of Krishna's flute. This is the meaning. এখনো সেই বৃন্দাবনে বাঁশি means flute. বাঁশি বাজে রে. This বাঁশির সুরে সুর মিলিয়ে ময়ূর নাচে রে. With the rhythm of flute tune. Mayur means peacock also dancing. Just this 2 days ago I saw on YouTube, there's a road, this from Mathura to Vrindavan, Mathura to Vrindavan road, full of peacock with I don't know the English call, the feather in this way, and they are dancing. That Someone said, so many, not only one. But when everything was running, we had not barely managed to see peacock here, right? So this is this we can see in the actual lockdown time. So many peacock on the road, so many rare birds. While I was chanting on the roof, last 2 days it's extremely hot. I don't like to go there. But before I saw very nice decorative bird. The hood like this. Looks like someone painting some crown on his head. On that bird like that. This much size. So many nice bird here. Very rare bird. So anyway, although my eyes is dirty with full of material desire, but still, this you can just see parrot coming, so many parrot asking them, they're speaking something I don't know. So many parrot, 20, 30 parrot surrounding this. I called Chitralekha to bring some apple, give it to them. But monkey came, the chased all of them out, and monkey ate everything. What to do? Anyway, so Radha Shaho Nitya Vilas Vrato Krishna. Radha, Krishna eternally manifest pastimes with Radha. First of all, we have to know the meaning of Radha. Radha means, Radha means satisfaction, Santosh. I think I explained it previously. Ra Shabda Charanat Spito Bhavoti Madhavo. As soon as someone chanting Ra, Radha's Ra, first syllable Ra, that make Madhava happy. Spito Bhavoti Madhavo. Madhava means Krishna become happy. Dha. Dha means immediately Krishna running towards that person who is chanting Ra. This is the inner meaning our devotees explain in this way. In a Brahma Vaivarta Purana, it is explained like that way. So anyway, রাত্রি দিন কুঞ্জে কিরা করে রাধা সঙ্গে কৈশোর বয়স সফল কৈল ক্রীড়াঙ্গী. Ratri means night, din means day. Day, night, kunja kira. Kunja means grove, kira means pastimes. Kore Radha Sangi. Manifest pastimes with Radha. Manifesting pastime with Radha. Ratri dine means day, night, eternally. How is it possible? How is it possible? Day, night, we saw Krishna taking cowherd, Krishna taking all the cow for cowherding with cowherd boys. But if you look, in the name of worshipping sun god, Radha took permission from her Jotila, from her mother-in-law Jotila, and went to Radha Kund. And there is a siege manifesting pastime, Krishna manifesting pastime with Radha and Radha Kund. Also meeting with Terkadam. In order to meet Radha, Krishna, Radharani also worships Shiva with such hope. So Krishna will come. That's called, hope means Asha. Therefore the Shiva's name is Asheshwar. You can see this. Terkadam, if you go from the Nandogaon, right? Nandangam, and go there, there is a Shiva there. Very nice Shiva, this is very big Anantanath, Asheshwar Shiva. In this Brajamandal Parikrama's glories, if you read, then there's a Radha used to worship Shiva to get the association of Krishna. Radha herself, sees expansion of Krishna. But in order to get Krishna's association, we have to worship. We have to worship Vaishnava. We have to take shelter of Vaishnava. The Krishna, the greatest devotee, greatest Vaishnava, in according to our Shastra, Shiva is the greatest Vaishnava among the all Vaishnava community. We are worshipping Lord Shiva, is a Sadashiva Vaishnava, which always in Khir Sagar, Shetwadip, the doorkeeper, he is sitting there. He is sitting there. Therefore, this Gopeshwar Shiva. Now the lockdown, we are not going because of the rules here. I'm not going there. But every morning I always after Mangalarti going there. But now, because I want to follow the lockdown rule. Even I never go out of this. Since that lockdown start, I never go out of the temple. So anyway, so that Ratri Dine Kunje Kira Kore Radha Sange, day, night, they are doing. In spirit, they are doing. We are not able to see. Maybe not this universe, another universe that way. Always. But here, then say, Koishara Vayasha Shapal Koilo Kidarange. Kishore. Kishore voice means when Krishna was in Vrindavan, the age around 10 years, between 10 years old. 7-year-old, he lifted up Govardhan Hill. It is also strength for us. Then when we hear the debate between Shuk and Shari, Shuk in favor of Krishna, Shari in favor of Radha. When Shuk says that Shuk bole amare Krishna giri dhore chilo, Shuk say my Krishna lift up Govardhan Hill, Shari bole amar Radhar Shakti sancharilo. Shari says my Radha give him potency. Therefore, he became eligible to lift up Govardhan Hill. That way. So, we can see Radha and Krishna is actually non-different. Even Shastra says, this Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Radha Purna Shakti, absolute potency. Krishna Purna Shaktiman, absolute Shaktiman, means object of power, right? Dui Bostu de Bhed Nai, there is no difference between two. Shastra Paraman. Shastra Paraman means Shastra gives us the proof. So, therefore, people may think that what type of God Krishna is. He is with Radharani playing always. God supposed to be in temple, right? And accepting puja. Why God? Because Krishna is Lila Purushottam. Ramchandra is Marjada Purushottam, means incarnation of etiquette. Krishna is incarnation of pastimes. Mahaprabhu is Prema Purushottam. incarnation of love. Different time, different type of system they are following, we can say. So Krishna is Lila Purushottam, and Krishna manifesting first time with Krishna, but another form Radha. Am I clear? So therefore, although he manifesting such pastimes with Radha as well as with so many other gopis, mohisis, but still Krishna is Brahmachari. Krishna is Brahmachari. Krishna's desire, if you want that forest should be, here he need forest. Immediately, Bhumi they be giving tree, making tree with it. Whatever Krishna wants, it's appear. Krishna God, it is proof that, we are fed up to maintain one wife, right? Maybe actually Muslim they may have 10, 20, 100 wives. But Krishna has, just look, 16,108 wives. Therefore he is God. And as well as he is manifesting with so many gopis also. Millions of gopis. Everybody feel Krishna is my Krishna. His loving affection such a way, such a manner he is keeping. He's showing he is everywhere. Therefore, Krishna is God. Material people become confused how he become God. But who is through chanting, free from all the material attachment, sense enjoyment object, they feel, Krishna's beautification. Loving form is Radha. Krishna such a great form, beautiful form, beautiful quality, beautiful pastimes. He manifesting to attack all of our mind. So Krishna, please keep my mind always to your pastimes. This Gopal mantra, what you say? Mantra meaning, if you just do, just go through the mantra's meaning. Govinda, anyway, Gopijana, then Vallabha. Vallabha means dear. Gopijana, Gopi means all the gopis. Gopijana means all the gopis. Vallabha means dear. Dear, very close, dearest. So, crown of the gopis is Radha. Right? All the gopis, they are coming, they are expansion of Radha. He is manifesting by himself. So originally everybody Krishna. But problem is this, materially, how much we will materially attach, that much we will think bad about the Radha Krishna's pastimes. Therefore, all our Guru Varga says, until or unless we are not free from that not to read these pastimes. Otherwise, we will just commit offense. We cannot look their meeting, their pastimes, make ourselves happy. Just like, just materially think about that. When make you happy or not? Happy or not? If parents split, that make you happy? Same thing. We just pray, just to think about. Tameva mata cha pita tameva, tameva bandhuscha shakha tameva, tameva vidva dravinam tameva, tameva sarvam mama. This, what is the meaning? You are my mother, you are my father. So when they are together, if you just think about that separate, just think separate. Although they are not separated, they are all is Krishna, all are Krishna. Drama. I think long time before in this session I explained, Krishna has desired to make a drama, therefore he expand four form, then Sankarshan expand, the fourth form is Sankarshan, Sankarshan expand, one form is Karanadaksha Mahavishnu, he put his glance, vision towards Maya, create the material world, right? Then gradually, out the big history, how Brahma appeared from the Garbhodaksa Mahavishnu's navel, a big history. They all we are like here an actor who can act with Krishna, who is completely free from all material desire, all sense enjoyment object. Only that person is eligible to make a role of the drama with Krishna directly. Who is not, just practice here and become free from all this, then they are eligible to enter the pastimes. That is the theme. That is the theme of our Guru Varga, right? Therefore we are chanting. Very rare people, very rare, whoever chanting, very rare, they become free from all the attachment. But whoever free, they are going back to free. When they pass the body, they were using Nityalila Pravishto. They are entering in that. What pastime Radha Krishna manifest in that pastimes. They are joining as the servant, as assistants. Anyway, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So there is also one sloka, but sloka is very difficult to explain the meaning. Publicly it is very difficult. They may not understand why such type of pastimes happening in the spiritual world. Why Krishna manifest. Therefore I just explain all the meaning. But anyway, I just read it. I don't like to explain entire meaning of the sloka. Vacha suchita sarvari roti kala pragal bhaya radhikam vidakunchito lochanam virachayam gre sakhinamaso tadvakshoru achi chitra keli makari pandita parangata kaisharang safali karoti kalayan kunje biharo. Meaning is this, you can say like that. When a koishar means koishar is your youth age. In order to fulfill materially, in order to fulfill our youth age, our parents arrange marriage, but nowadays we are choosing ourselves. So, through the manifesting pastimes, that Krishna we can say how he behave with Radha in that way. I can explain it that much. There is more details there in this sloka. I don't like to go through. So in that way, that they say, Kaisharang Shafali Karoti. Kaisharang means youth. Shafali, successfully. Karoti, performing. Makori, Kalayan, the art. Kala, art. Kalayan. And Kunja Bihara, in the grove they are manifesting. That much I can explain. I don't like to go through with the previous lineage. I don't think that is proper to explain it publicly. Because this is my order of my Gurudev. Intimate pastimes Mahaprabhu discuss with Raya Ramananda, Sharup Damodar, inside a small room, Gambhira, not publicly. Therefore, better for us, unqualified person, if they listen, they may think bad about this. Instead of surfacing the lusty desire, it will come up the lusty desire. That much I can say. There is also explanation that sometimes we may think, I am qualified to follow the rag mark, means spontaneous loving relation with Radha Krishna. In this regard, my spiritual master used to say, Rago Margo Rato Jone Shadinata Ratnadane. No, this is not. This is actually, he says of the sloka, I forget now. Anyway, I forget the sloka. Sloka meaning I remember. That is this. Sometimes we feel that we are eligible to listen. Forget first word. Forget. Anyway, so after hearing that, instead of what I explained before, surfacing our lusty desire or destroying fully, and it is increasing our lusty desire. Forget that. Asamartha. Asamartha, unqualified, who is not eligible, who is not qualified. And I forget that's the text. Gurudev used to always say like that. And yeah, I will explain tomorrow that text. This night I will think, I will explain. Then, Nitya Chinmay Shiva Vilase Sarvottam Avasthai Prema Vilas Vivarto Uha Joda Nirvishesh Koivaladitya Siddhi Nahe Nitya eternally Chinmay transcendental Seva Vilas service, loving manner, rendering service. Ishvarvottam, it's the best. This is explained by our Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, Sarvottam. Prema Vilas Vivartam. Prem Vilas and Vivartam means Vipralamba. Sometimes union, sometimes separation. Uha Jodo Nirvishesh Koivala Keval Dvaita Siddhi Nahe. Here Jodo Nirvishesh. Material. We should not think it is material. Kevala the Siddhi Nahe. The Siddhi is not Siddhi. Materially, to read it, describe it, is not proper, we can say. প্রভু কহে, নাও এসেছে, প্রভু কহে এও হয়, আগে কহো আর। Mahaprabhu says, it is okay, but go ahead more. রায় কহে ইহা বই বুদ্ধি গতি নাহি আর। ইহা বই means I have no any other idea about it. But Amrita Baba Bhashya, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur says like this, হে রামানন্দ, তুমি যে সাধ্য নির্ণয় করিলে, রাধাকৃষ্ণের বর্ণন করিলে এবং উদ্ধতের এবং উভয়ের বিলাস মহত্ব বলিলে, তাহাই সত্য, কিন্তু ইহার পরও আরো কিছু আছে, তা বলো। Whatever you describe Radha Krishna's prema vilas, means pastimes about their loving relation, it is truth, but you have to go ahead. If there is any other ahead, please tell me. Rai কহিলেন, ইহার পর বুদ্ধির আর গতি দেখিতে পাই না। I am not able to see my intelligence anymore. তবে প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্ত বলিয়া একটি ভাব আছে। There is a mood, প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্ত. You know, prem is loving relation. A loving relation, it will increase when we have some separation, right? Like if you stay with one person long time, then you look their fault, right? When you look that person up with some gap, not constantly living. When you stay constantly with one person, just to think about when you meet with Sarveshwar Prabhu, just so अच्छी तरह से सेवा करूँगा, I will serve him nicely, right? After that, how much fault you are saying? He also the same thing. Says, oh, we can be together, right? But after that, it's not only you, everybody like that. Therefore, whenever I saw husband and wife making quarrel, they are coming to me, I say at least 6 months stay amongst each other. Then after that, look, all of your mood. If you want to meet again, then you can say, no need to go for divorce. What is the meaning of swing festival? When it is moving there, swing goes far. This is separation, coming near, union, separation, union. That is our bhakti, our path of bhakti. So anyway, this is called প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্ত বলিয়া একটি ভাব আছে। This is ভাব, mood. তাহা বলিতেছি, I am just trying to say, ইয়া শুনিয়া তোমার সুখ হয় কিনা বলিতে পারি না। I don't know it make you happy or not. This is Rai Ramananda says. তাৎপর্য এই যে, this is significant is this, এ পর্যন্ত আমি প্রেম বিলাসের স্বরূপ বর্ণন করিলাম। তাৎপর্য means significant is this, till now I explain only prem bilas, how they manifest loving pastimes amongst each other, Radha and Krishna. I just explained that. Prem bilas তত্ত্বে দুই প্রকার ভাব আছে, অর্থাৎ সন্তোষ ও বিপ্রলম্ভ। সন্তোষ স্যাটিসফ্যাকশন, বিপ্রলম্ভ means distress or separation, we can say. Two type of mood is there. in Prem Vilas, loving relation. Vipralambha ব্যতীত সন্তোষের পুষ্টি হয় না. What I explain you, senses. Vipralambha ব্যতীত মানে without separation, there is no question of sambhog pushti হয় না. Sambhog means be together. Enjoyment to become together, it should not make you happy. Therefore I explain. If you be together, if I say, Sudevi, I will stay in your home 1 year, I think after 10-20 days, Sudevi will look my phone. Hey, Maharaj is sleeping, is snoring, so many complaints. Am I right or wrong? Huh? Snoring, too much sleeping, because I am sleeping too much. Then so many other, eating so much. So many. But if I go once in a year, for few hours, so that we can cook nicely, feeding nicely, bringing so many other stuff, what I like dhokla, right? You know, all Delhi devotees, they know I like dhokla. They are bringing dhokla for me. So anyway, very nice, sweety, juicy dhokla. Anyway, so though there is, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Sambhog or Vipralambha. Then Sambhog means there is Sambhog or Vipralambha. I read it, and Vipralambha. Sambhog means Sambhog, enjoyment and separation. Santosh. Vipralambha ব্যতীত সম্ভোগের পুষ্টি হয় না. Without Vipralambha means without separation, there is no question, there is no, no one can relish the union. Like I heard, there's Rupa Manjari is crying to Aurobindo Lochan. Either you can bring me here in Vrindavan or come here. It's 2 months, more than 2 months over, right? That's right. তাহাই বিচ্ছেদের নামই বিপ্রলম্ব. বিচ্ছেদের নামই বিপ্রলম্ব. বিপ্লব means বিচ্ছেদ, separation. তাহাই প্রেমবিলাসের বিবর্ত. তাহাই প্রেমবিলাস means loving connection, বিবর্ত means separation. প্রেমবিলাসের বিবর্ত. বিবর্ত means that is the separation, that is the perfect separation in order to maintain the prembilas, loving relation with our loving to maintain the proper conjugal relation. It is the অর্থাৎ বিচ্ছেদকালে অধীনর ভাববশত সম্ভোগাভাবে সম্ভোগ স্ফূর্তি. বিচ্ছেদকালে অধীনর ভাব, eagerness, when I will meet you, when I will meet you. You can see Radharani always in Javat, simultaneously. Both are feeling separation. She wants to meet Krishna, he also wants to meet Krishna. That is a manifesting pastime. So anyway, it is explained, রায় রামানন্দ নিজকৃত ওই রসের একটি সঙ্গীত গান করিতে না করিতে মহাপ্রসীয় ভাবিভাবল হইয়া তার মুখে আচ্ছাদন করিলেন. As soon as Mahaprabhu asking that, then Raya Ramananda, he composed one such type of separation song, like separation song. Shirupo Manjari Pado, like our separation song. Then Krishna have so many separation song. As soon as he started to chant that song, Mahaprabhu with his palm closed his mouth, close Raya Ramananda. Mahaprabhu Shiva Bhave Vihabal Hoya. He is just Radha Bhav with the mood of Radharani's. Shiva Vihabal Hoya. Tahar Mukh Achchadon Korilen means close his mouth. Who? Mahaprabhu. To whose mouth? Ramananda's mouth. Gitri Bichit Kale Shimoti Ukti. Sutarang Vipralamodasa Shambhok Spukti. This is Bichit Kale Shimoti Rukti. Shimoti means Radharani's dialogue, Radharani's composition. So, therefore, Sutarang Vipralambo Dasha Shambhok Purti. Vipralambo Dasha means in separation we can have the feeling of union. This is the Seva Vilas Vivarto and whatever it is I am going to read now. Oh, already here. Whatever I am going to read now, it is already here. The media. Seva Vilas, Seva Prema Vilas Vivarto ek hoy, taha shuni tomar sukh hoy ki na hoy. I don't know if you will be happy or not, but there is a vivarto, the separation, prem vilas, seva prema vilas. In this prem vilas, loving relation, there is a separation is there. I don't know that separation make you happy or not. This is Raya Ramananda says. Ato boli apana krito gito gahilo. As soon as Raya Ramananda finished this dialogue, then Raya Ramananda started to chant that song. And Preme Prabhu sahaste tar mukho achha dilo. Preme means out of loving relation. Mahaprabhu got the bhav, mood, Radha bhav, and he's trying to close that Raya Ramananda's mouth, but don't chant anymore. You know this, if someone say something negative about your beloved, then what do you feel? I don't like to listen, stop. Negative way means, this huge explanation explained by Srila Prabhupada. Oh my God, 3 pages, Prabhupada's explanation. But the language is very nice language, but it's very difficult to transform in English proper. It's very, very difficult. But anyway, I will try tomorrow, because now already 20:35. Hare Krishna.